Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. This is how cruise ship dumps thousands of gallons of wastewater directly into the ocean. China discovers massive forest hidden underground in sinkhole full of greenery and mysterious animals. The most terrible poverty is loneliness and the feeling of being unloved. Mother Teresa. This photo of Earth was taken on March 17, 2025 at 15 UTC by the NOAA GOES satellite, showing how it looks at night. Far more animals are conscious than we ever assumed, including insects, scientists say. This 4-month-old Russian blue mix cat is Midas and she was born with an extra pair of ears on her head. She looks awesome. Jeju Island is a volcanic paradise featuring Halasan, the highest mountain in South Korea. A groundhog named Chunk has been stealing a farmer's crop from Delaware for 4 years and it eats it right in front of a surveillance camera. Seoul's Bukchon Hanok village houses numerous traditional Korean Hanok houses, showcasing the country's architectural heritage amidst the modern cityscape. Mark Lawrence, Telosa City in USA. Mohammed bin Salman's The Line in Saudi Arabia. Chinstrap penguins take more than 10,000 micronaps a day, each lasting an average of 4 seconds, adding up to over 11 hours of sleep daily. Pankaj Bansal's M3M City in Panipat, India. Researchers have created a tiny gold device that converts electrical signals into optical signals at record-breaking terahertz frequencies. Bill Gates' Belmont City in Arizona, USA. Horrifying viper shark found in Japan. There is a method of growing rhubarb known as forcing, where the plants grow in complete darkness and is tended to in candlelight. It grows so quickly during this process that you can hear it grow. Elon Musk Starbase in Texas, USA. Astronaut share stunning glimpses of first flower ever grown in space and watered in zero gravity. Men get better sleep than women, study finds. Philadelphia leads the nation in sweatpants purchases per capita. In 2024, FSSAI declared packaged drinking water and mineral water as a high-risk food category. Nearly 70% of the Icelanders have Costco membership and there is only one Costco in the country. Clouded leopards have the longest tail to body ratio of any wildcat, helping them balance while climbing trees. Lack of personal hygiene and body smell is such an issue at Super Smash Bros. Tournaments that some tournaments now disqualify players not keeping up with hygiene, and some have even resorted to passing out deodorants. Share tables help keep kids from going hungry and reduce food waste in schools across the US. When schools set up share tables in their lunchrooms, anyone can leave their unopened food and drinks on the table instead of throwing them away. Other kids can stop by and take whatever they would like, and leftovers are usually donated to food banks. The revelers of New York's Eve in the Times Square are often locked into place for up to 12 hours and cannot move, so many of them wear adult diapers and the kids just let themselves go on the street. Fake oil paintings created after 1945 can be easily identified. This is due to the fact that isotopes such as strontium 90 and cesium 137 can be found in oil because of the nuclear bomb detonation which started in 1945. These elements did not exist in nature previously, and if a painting contains these isotopes, it was certainly painted after 1945. In Norway, it is legally mandated to apply a standardized label to any advertisement where body shape, size, or skin appearance has been altered through retouching or other forms of manipulation. In 1368, a Portuguese castle was enduring a prolonged siege when their supplies started running low. In a fake show of plenty, they started throwing freshly baked bread made from the very last flour in the castle with the message, "If you need any more, just let us know." This broke the enemy's resolve, and fearing a much more prolonged siege, the Spaniards withdrew. Volkswagen Norway has developed a prototype office chair with a top speed of 12 meters per hour featuring a seat belt, horn, LED lights, rear view camera, sensors and a heated seat. Additionally, it comes with a small storage trunk. Bobby Leach was a daredevil who parachuted from hot air balloons, climbed rope ladders between speeding aeroplanes, and in 1911 went over Niagara Falls in a barrel. He died in Auckland in April 1926, aged 69, after slipping on an orange peel. 7 worst jobs in the world. Crime scene cleaner, head lice technician, miners, fishing industry worker, pest exterminator. Thanks for watching.